First area I'm going to check is right down by the train bridge. The train bridge was originally built, at least the pylons were, in 1910. Well, I'm now down by the old slaughterhouse, and let's see if I can find anything down here again. Yeah, I got a few spots tagged in that. See if there's anything in them. Well, I found a nickel in one spot. Sadly, it's not what I expected. It's a 1983. Hopefully the other area's a bit older. I mean, this slaughterhouse hasn't been used since probably the 30s. So, I mean, it's got to be older here. It's only under a couple inches, though. As you can see, this is how close the slaughterhouse is actually to the railway tracks. You can barely see the train through the fog. This is the back of the slaughterhouse. The end piece is roughly 6 feet high, 10 feet wide. There's about a 20-foot low spot in between, and that was designed that way. It was roughly around 29-30 inches high. And on the other side is another 10 foot, actually it's 10 foot 6 inch on each side, and 6 feet high. And the wall is roughly 1 foot thick. Now, I don't know the purpose of this window frame, whether it was just a window or a vent, or we even fired the guts out here. There was obviously some sort of frame in here that goes inside of it. 20 feet long. Considering back then it was probably more in the line of ventilation. Now, on the side closest to the creek, there's about a 3 foot 8 inch section that's 6 feet high. Then there's about a 6 foot gap, which obviously was the door. On the other side is close to another 14 feet, so the entire wall is roughly 22 feet long. The section farther down, as you can see, is shorter. It's only about 4 feet high. This large metal can is the only other thing other than the foundation that's still around here. That's noticeable. Almost looks like a fuel tank. Not much found around the slaughterhouse, but I had to come down here anyways to do the measurements. I did find the top of a bottle, pop tin, and some foil, and a ton of nails. I chucked them already. And of course my 5-cent piece, 1983, which kind of brightened my day up. At least I found something. Just about ready to leave, and right by the road, by the train tracks, there's a small piece of rail. And this is not the same size as CN or CP. It's a smaller gauge. It's the Abernathy and Lougheed Logging Company Railway. I guarantee I've got a piece of it at home.